I'm super excited today.
More cowbell. Right on.
Her voice could punch you in the face. I love this one.
Jive turkey.
Who are you calling Jive Turkey?
You.
Hi guys, this is Play It Again. I'm Ginger.
And I'm Mike.
And we get emails.
We get letters.
Yes, but not like penthouse letters.
No, we write those.
I never thought it would happen to me.
Yeah, right. Yes, you did.
I'm usually the one they're writing about.
I
have to confess.
Oh.
My dad used to have some penthouse magazines, and they were, sorry, Dad, I'm calling you out. They were on one of the shelves in the bathroom. I used to read those letters.
That's where you get all your good ideas.
Mesmerizing. Huh?
That's where you get all your good ideas.
Oh, no, that's not where I got my good ideas. There were only a few good ideas in those letters. I expanded out.
Atta girl. Why we like you.
Anyway, this went off the rails. Usually we wait till after the video before we get a little bit weird. So anyway, we got an email from Vlad.
Hey, Vlad.
Hi, from Mission Jupiter, notifying us that they came out with a new video. I appreciate the little bit I already knew because I follow them on Facebook.
Yep.
So I had it on our list to do, and we're finally now that we're outside of all of our renos and some of our house showings, able to do it.
Yeah. So Vlad, she knows. We know. But right anyway,
Send me
it's nice to hear
anyway,
from you.
It's great. They're always so sweet.
Nice to hear from you.
It's true. So anyway, and I'm going to interrupt our video very briefly to tell my husband to move his drink before it falls off that table next to him.
Cheers.
It was precariously poised. Anyway, so this one's called Blizzard, and these guys have not disappointed us yet. I absolutely love this band, so I'm very excited. Let's go. Where is my mouse? Oh, there. That spacey guitar back there.
That's some great 80s synth bass going on. Oh wow, that's a switch up.
sounds good. I just say how much I love this aesthetic.
Mm-hmm.
So that was a little more atmospheric and spacey than the stuff we heard from them before.
It really was very atmospheric and spacey. I really liked that.
I did too. It was, well, I mean, all their stuff is very atmospheric in general, right? Which is part of the reason that I love them so much. But usually there's like large peaks, right? That kind of sweep you up. And then this one was just kind of, you know, it was subtle.
With the drum sounds and the synth bass and everything and that kind of mellow, bassy vibe to it. It was 80s influenced in all the best ways. Right?
I was thinking exactly the same.
Felt like going home for an old man like me.
Yeah, I was thinking, especially that transition bit near the middle where they totally switched it up. I thought, well, that has a very distinct kind of late 80s sound to it, but more sophisticated than even it was back then.
Yeah, it kind of took some of that sophistopop stuff as well as that later 80s sound. It kind of blended it.
Yeah,
in a really nice way.
Good though.
It was really good.
And can I just say how much I love her voice?
Yes, you can. I think you just did.
I believe her name is Nastia. Such a great voice. She has a fabulous voice for this atmospheric kind of sound. It just penetrates so well. That was so good.
The whole thing was fantastic.
Yeah.
Nice
so
job.
We're going to have to buy the album. And we're going to have to buy it before we move.
Yeah, right?
Because we'll never get it where we're going. So that's next on the list.
All right.
My Amazon orders or wherever I can find it.
Yep.
Guys, you'll have to give me a hint where I can find your album. Heck, I'll just go to your Facebook page. I'm sure it's there. But yeah, that was so good. Now I just want to relax and have a drink and put it on again.
Yeah, we could do that. We got a few minutes.
It's true. So, well.
Maybe we'll just play it again.
That should have been my lead. Yeah, it's true. I'm a little out of practice. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications. You can find us on Twitter. We are at PlayItAgainMG. And thanks for coming out, guys.